We're joined here by Ankit Agrawal. He's the founder and CEO of InsuranceDekho. We're in the InsuranceDekho office. It's a lovely office here in Gurgaon. Great to have you here, Ankit.
Pleasure's mine, buddy.
It's another fundraise for InsuranceDekho. Massive fundraise, that too. What are your intentions with this one?
So we're primarily looking. We're primarily doing this fundraise for three things. One, we're looking at M&A targets. So there are a couple of acquisitions which you should be hearing about soon. Second, we want to diversify our business. We've been in distribution of retail products. We also want to get into reinsurance now. Third, we want to spend some money in brand and marketing.
Lovely. With this fundraise also comes on the cap table is let's walk a little. Comes Mitsubishi, right? It's one of Japan's largest banks. What do you see? What are some synergies you see with that?
So I think we're blessed to have three great partners, not Mitsubishi alone. So MUFG is coming in with MUFG. You get a lot of backing of how to build a global brand. How do you build a company which lives for decades, right? You're not building a company for the next 5 years, 10 years. We are also getting Eurazeo, which is a insurtech fund promoted by one of the largest European insurance companies. With them, we get the know-how. How do you build a full stack solution? Tomorrow, if Government of India IRD regulations allow us to get into MGA, we can leverage on that. Third, we are also getting India's first fintech focused fund, Beams, on our cap table. We are of the firm belief that you should build for India and you should build for Bharat. And getting Beam fintech on our cap table is a step in that direction.
Lovely. Ankit, we're also seeing your FY23 balance sheet about nearing 100 crores in revenues. Losses are also shrinking quite a bit. These two fundraisers, what sort of impact will they have on the top line as well as the bottom line?
So the company continues to grow. We are an IRDA regulated entity. Our revenues are in line with IRDA guidelines. Our core business is profitable, and it has been profitable for the last 2 quarters now. We are investing some money in new initiatives, but at a company level, we should be profitable by the end of December. And then Q4, we are looking at being profitable at a PAT level.
Super. Ankit, one more question that comes to my mind is, how does InsuranceDekho sort of plans to navigate the rural market? The urban market, I'd say that there have already been quite a bit of strategies that have been successful. How do you bridge the urban-rural divide?
हम तो बना ही भारत के लिए रहे हैं, तो डे वन से हम हमेशा यही कहते हैं. लास्ट टाइम भी मिला था आपसे, यही कहता हम भारत के लिए बना रहे हैं. हमारा मानना है कि अगले 10 से 15 साल भारत देश में फाइनेंशियल प्रोडक्ट्स के जो सेल होंगे, दैट विल बी डन थ्रू अ डिजिटल मोड. You will need people who will come to you, explain to you how the product is, what is the benefit of the product, and also help in servicing of the product. So we've always focused on that. We focused on having our agent partners who are POSPs, that are IRDA certified agents, who will go to houses, who will go and meet our customers and explain the benefits of buying insurance product.
Right. So phygital is the future going on. I mean, that's also similar to what we are seeing in EdTech, right?
Yeah.
There's always focus on online to chal hi raha hai, but there's also hybrid model that's taking off. So you predict that as the future for insurance broking as well?
Yeah, absolutely.
Interesting. Another question, you already brought up the point of acquisitions that will be coming in. You already acquired Verak this year. What sort of a ticket size and what sort of what's the size of these startups or these companies?
We're pretty open. We have enough and more capital on our balance sheet now. So we're pretty open and to size of the asset. If the asset is good, if it adds value, we have enough and more capital available to us. So in fact, the amount we've raised is just about 40% of the amount that was available to us. So we had way more amount available to us.
Lastly, if you don't want to talk about it, I understand that, but the valuation, I think you've already raised about 200 million plus. Your valuation would be in what sort of a bracket?
So I told you last time also, valuation is just an outcome. What you build is more important. The valuation is significantly higher than the last round valuation. I am not at liberty to share the exact number, but we would be at least at a 50% higher valuation than the last round valuation.
Excellent. That was Ankit Agrawal, the founder and CEO of InsuranceDekho. Stay tuned.